Alright, we're getting started. Got Mark up there to start.
He did better than I did. Yeah, how many do we get? One? Oh, gosh. What was that? Over.
Sorry. Doing a bad job.
Come on, John. You sell the most projects, you're the worst throw on the team. What do you want from me? Oh! I was getting nervous up there. Oh, bad one. All right, go get it. Go get it. Why don't you just give him like 10 turns? Go get it. Oh, you better watch it, buddy. Nick, my goodness. Oh, yeah. Emily would be so disappointed there. You're trying to hit me in the target. I know, that's why all right. Yeah, get him closer. One more round.
Come on!
Oh, man. Oh, boy. You ready? Take a breath. We don't need to start. That was way off. Andy, give him 2 to throw. Yeah, give John 2. Oh! Good job. Wow! That was close. This thing gonna look good. Brett, go. Well, there's a reason why we're nice! I was just psyching you guys out. You're gonna make it eventful right there. How cold is it? Great!
People are watching and commenting. What did they say? It's Stephen Walker and Justin Hanks. They got him! Yay!
There's a ball in here, by the way. All right, Matterhorn, one more time. One more time.
Not a good spot.
My bad. I just need my You got a little scared. There it is. This is bad. All right, John, you got it this time. You got to hit it this time. Yeah, John. Come on, Quinn. Pick up another one more. Pick up one more. Those elder athletic skills. Oh. Wait, there. Give him another one. Just for shits and giggles. Zero down on now, bro. All right. Do I get to go again? Yeah. Oh! All right, let's go. Hit it again. Yep.
For anyone who's watching in office, Natasha said she would go in for 500, and we're taking IOUs. So if you want to see Natasha get in the dunk tank, you should get out here.
One round, and then everybody else. Go, one round. I paid for Doug. Oh, you paid? Yeah. How much did you pay? Just three throws. There we go.
How much would that pay off, Doug?
That was a $500 shot.
Still getting haunted by Lois, my dream.
This one's for you.
Push it!
Another one. Hey, whoever paid, get in line.
Need two more. Alrighty, make this one worth it.
It's rigged.
Let's go, Cubs. Let's go, Cubs. Let's go, Cubs. I thought that was coming at me.
Your head's above the bar.
Why aren't you using your other two?
I'm waiting. I might be waiting for you. I might be waiting for Andy.
Why not hurt? All right, guys, stop throwing like girls.
That wasn't that bad. You better dunk.
Oh!
They're chucking like that.
Drink it down, Scott. It's starting to dry out.
It's the first time in your life.
This isn't the Trump day.
Just go, you throw it, and I'll be behind it.
You should, I know, right? I'll get anywhere close to it.
Andy's not back here.
Come on, Casey.
Yeah, I'm Casey.
You throw better than all these guys, can't you? Casey, go again.
Alex is getting wet. He already knows what he's doing.
You gotta aim for the target.
All right. Who's the next victim? Andy, is it you?
Let him just go and push it.
Come on, get your daddy. Get ready.
That's cute. Where's your goggles?
Here we go. Keep going. Keep going. You extend them?
No, just put them on your forehead. That was awesome.
think she's got her.
Wait, is he paying extra for more shots at Doug? Oh, no, wait, Doug.
Not sure who is going up next.
Okay, I missed my chance. It's all right.
Well, get up there. All right.
Oh, I guess Doug's going back up. In the tub right now is Doug.
Oh, that was close.
And if you don't know, he's the vertical executive for Adam? I hope I got that right. Right?
He broke it.
Look at that time, Doug.
All right, last call. Last call next.
Last call. Alright, so Josh is next.
All right, who's up? Who's up? Yeah, see, you all don't want to hit the nice guy. This is all for
Looks
charity.
like Amanda's going first.
Hey, you line.
Alright, Ryan's up next. That was awesome. Oh, that was close.
Keep going.
Yeah, I know.
Don't worry about it. Give it another one. Throw both of them.
Oh, so close.
Come on, we'll break a little bit. Yeah, but every time that ball gets close, you tense up. Keep going.
One of those is going to hit it.
Jeremy, back up 10 yards. You got it.
Who's up? Who else? Who else paid? Let's go.
Let's go. Hey guys, you gonna do it? Grab a ball.
There we go.
I think Josh's kids are gonna go up now.
No, we'll let. Josh, I've never seen your kids happier.
Don't do it, Ruthie. Don't do it. Josh is ready.
Maybe we can get an extra tank on our back.
All right, Esther.
The last Saturday, we can get one of our
get this one.
Run up and push it if not, Matthew.
Oh!
Just push it. Push it.
Just go push it.
I can't remember.
It's getting the big bucket.
Oh, no, you don't do that.
That's what I said.
I think Andy's getting in next. Just took his glasses off.
No, it's not his turn now. It's Mr. Cox's turn. We should maybe take a picture for his wife.
Is the gum disinfectant? Sorry.
We got cold after a while.
All right, who's getting up?
Who's up next?
Josh, aren't you? Don't you three go first?
I don't want to get my arm tied with the constant
Oh guys, it looks like we raised enough money to dunk Natasha.
Why do you get this wrong?
He paid.
He donated $100.
He paid.
We've got VEs dunking VEs now.
Jim, Tim.
Tim's not going to be able to get that report done for you.
Do it again.
Get it.
Now throw. He's ruthless.
Get it.
Hey, you know, you're a Bills fan, right?
Yeah.
You can tell. All right, someone give me a ball. Just a little bit more.
Just a little bit.
Go for it.
Alright, here we go.
Closure.
One shot.
25. How many balls is that? I scored 3.
Like 10.
I got 7 more.
Hey, hold on.
I paid Mark for one.
Who else is paid and hasn't thrown yet?
A whole bunch of people.
The line is so long, it's unbelievable.
Oh, should have done it.
Shoot, guys. Shoot, guys. So bad.
Oh!
That was close.
I don't want to look like Tim.
No, it's bad.
Somebody catch spray.
Oh, she's not even.
Yes!
That was good right there.
Alex, what's that gray hair in the back here, man?
You.
It's like he knew that.
Let's see it, Mia.
Come on,
Mia, show us your great softball skills.
Right.
Just stand up.
What'd you lose? Contacts!
Josh's ring. Oh, that's just a bit of just a ring. It wouldn't be the first time.
A ring?
It sounds like Josh lost his engagement ring or his wedding ring.
Andy's go like deep diving.
What'd you lose?
Andy saves the day.
We gotta get a video.
We got a video. There's actually a lot of people watching and commenting.
What's the eyelashes look good on you?
I don't know, he's got a big melon.
Did we get the ring?
Yeah.
We found the ring.
My wife needs it.
We can't hold our breath that long.
Well, no, I really, like yesterday when I was parked my car here, I was just
Oh, Brian's next.
Natasha should throw.
Yes.
No, you throw.
Hey, who hasn't thrown yet?
What's that mean?
I'm not gonna be, yeah. Come on, Tim.
Oh, he's coming for you.
I think the soft is the way to go, actually, not the hard. Soft.
Who else? Come on, I only got dunk once. Are you kidding me?
He's just helping collect the ball. That's the target.
Come on, John.
I might try.
I didn't make it.
There we go.
Here goes Natasha.
Natasha did it.
No, $100 more. I'll wear that and I'll wear the float. Just saying. I thought it was too. I'm like, coming on. Emily, you got this. You gotta make it now.
Natasha said for $100 more she'd wear the vest and the goggles.
There you go. Go, my beard.
Somebody can throw.
You got it. Scoot up.
You can scoot up.
As close as you want.
Just go use your hand.
Damn, that water's like,
Yeah, I still have like 3 more balls after this, but
I'll be right. Anybody else?
like we're waiting on the top.
Yeah.
I guess while we switch, we should go see how much money we've raised.
Halfway there? What is that?
I want to see how much money we've raised.
500. 502.
How much is that?
502.
He's raised $502 so far, and Natasha is going in.
Tasha's going in the dunk.
That's crazy. Cool. They all are getting pictures. I'm on Facebook Live right now. Yeah. Sorry, girl.
It's like just keep following the cows and the days.
Wait, now!
I got 3 trucks.
Goggles and floating. If we get up to $1,000, you can come up and actually hit the button. But nobody can actually hit the button. You have to use the softball to hit it.
What was that? We can't cheat on the top.
Can't cheat. You actually have to hit it. If you wanted to wear goggles or any other floaty things, extra $100. Don't hit me.
Wait, who got that? Alex got it? First try.
Yeah, I got like 3 left.
Go for it. Sounds like fun.
You think?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right.
Not just for free.
I don't know.
That was Alex Arar.
We'll try your technique, I think, as well.
Yeah.
Oh, close.
I thought it was it.
Alright, Brian's up.
Yeah. Hey, you only have 48 more, so.
You want to try?
There you go. Our Gentry softball team is Amanda and Alex.
I like playing catcher because I don't like running around.
It's on it.
I feel better, way better than that.
Hey, you're not even on this team.
I was like, I like. Give me a second. That one sunk right below.
I know.
Andy, aren't you up?
gonna throw? Yeah, we need Andy.
Oh, geez, look at it.
That's supposed to be.
That's trash talking, man.
I think
I'll
we
try
should
some.
Andy's first
He picked it.
Can't find a dry spot.
Oh. Natasha's sitting up there quiet. Sorry about that. Did that make your day?
No, Mark.
One more.
Who else is going?
She just seems to. Love her,
Josh, you only threw like 2. You gotta throw 2. Andy. That is so satisfying.
Everyone wants their own.
Alright, hey, for an extra $100, you can come up and push it.
I guess for $100 they're letting him push the button. Sounds like Cecily's gonna go for it. Here she goes. Oh.
Almost got her in the head.
Another one.
I clearly can't throw it.
Oh, heads up.
Oh.
Mia, so close. I paid money. I might as well get, my money.
Yeah, Amanda. Hey, what time is it?
It's
110. 110. All right. Last dunk for her.
Her customers don't understand. Mike
Open up my
One more.
One more?
Yeah.
Go. Hit it. Alex is going for 2. Who else?
Andy.
You.
I think you need to back up.
Yep, I think that's
You didn't even hit the target.
I know, it sucks. I'm back up and throw it.
Hey, Andy, just picture your dog.
Like when you're a kid, you're like, I'm gonna try this, and then when it actually happens, you're like, why did I do that? I just hit this kid in the head with football. It was a joke, and it actually happened. I remember 6th grade.
All right, hey, unless any more money, we're all done.
And that's a wrap. Well, let's go check and see how much we raised total.
602.
What was the final? How much was it?
602.
602. Woo! Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching.